Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back. We are in the grindhouse. How's it going everybody? What's poppin'? I have my water as always. This is the official drink of my live streams. I have very small amount of water left, but I have some backup, don't worry. Hello, merhaba. How's it going guys? Just as easy. What's poppin'? So, as you can read from the title of the stream, we're basically gonna do some rat on steroids stuff. You know how it is. I'm just chilling. I'm just ready to grind. So yeah. People are slowly tuning in. I'm gonna set up my development environment, which is just a terminal. In the meantime, also I'm gonna set up some stuff, and we're gonna just jump right into it. The plan for today is basically going through the existing issues. Yeah, we're gonna be cooking with the rat. We're just gonna. Maybe I should have just worded apron again. Apron, sorry. My pronunciation is a bit weird. I don't know which one is the correct one. Apron or apron, I don't know. But the plan is just go through issues and PRs on that project and just debug some shit. That's the plan. It's gonna be quite a bit of a suffering experience for me, but let's see. People will still ask how to put React in this thing at some point. Yeah, and I'm also curious about that because it's WebAssembly, so you might be able to do that. I don't know. Like, I'm not a web developer, so just correct me if I'm wrong, but if you're able to call JavaScript functions from WebAssembly somehow using this framework, then maybe that might be possible to integrate with React and other frameworks, but I don't know. We'll see. Apron would be a nice touch. Yeah, next streams I'm gonna do that. Actually, how many subscribers do I have now? Because if I didn't hit 2,000 yet, I'm gonna do a 2,000 subscriber special. Because, I mean, yeah, why not? Actually, we're just 10 people away from hitting 2,000 subscribers. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna do a special stream on that because we gotta celebrate that somehow, which means that again I'm gonna do some kind of a, I don't know, funny gag and yeah, we're just gonna be like, hey, why are you doing this to yourself? Whatever. You'll see about that tomorrow. But today we are actually cooking some rats. Not really. We're cooking with the rat, okay? Not rats. Don't be that brutal. Isn't React a library? Isn't React a framework? React.js, right? Am I not right about that? I don't know. I really love your talk in Ruslab. Thank you. Which one do you mean? The GitCliff one or the one like the Ruslab? Wait, which one are you talking about? They will want to wrap Ratzilla into a component. Ah, that would be interesting. I don't know. I don't want to end up developing a JavaScript framework. Okay, I just want to keep things in Rust. All right, so we'll see. Aren't you a framework? I'll just skip that question. We are a framework. I will just pretend that I didn't read that, and I'm just gonna skip. It's a library. It can be added into any project, and it's also the butt of a lot of jokes. Yeah. You mean React, I think. Will it wrap in Tauri? Yes. Actually, yeah. I'm just gonna experiment with that at some point. We're gonna have Tauri. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do some Tauri stuff with Ratatouille in the future. That's in my to-do list. Okay, I have a huge to-do list actually. I cannot share it on stream, unfortunately, because I have some very private stuff in there too, such as using the Kitty terminal. I don't know, but I have some at least like 20 or 30 project ideas. So we're good. 2025, we're good. We have a bunch of shit to build. All right, so all good. We need more JS frameworks though. How do I ban you? No, just kidding. But no, please stop. This talk. Tauri is good. Ratatouille is gonna happen this year. All right. I'm not promising that, but I just want to make it happen. You know, just have a desktop Ratatouille app. Why not? Clickable, fully interactable. Is that a word? I don't know. But we gotta make that happen, you know? We gotta make that happen. But today we are in the rat on steroids land. Rats. Interactable. Interactable. Not table. Wait, is that a word? Hold on. Interactable. Yeah, that's a word. Interactive. Interactivable. Okay, fun fact. This animation was made 2 hours ago. 2 hours before the presentation. So, yeah, I just hit the guy. Dekirisu, shout out to you if you're watching. You're probably not watching, but shout out to you, man. You have some sick stuff. And he made that animation. Like he actually sent it to me 2 hours before the talk, so that was just a speed run at that point. But anyways, so we're gonna just go ahead here and take a look at some PRs, because why not? First of all, what's wrong with the demo 2 example? I think this was just broken. Enable all widgets. Actually, I want to just split that thing from that PR, because that's like not really belongs there. So I'm gonna create a new PR now with some changes from that PR. So give me a sec. I'm gonna do that. What is this, dude? Alright, just reset. I don't even remember what I did here. So reset hard head 1. Don't do this at home. Alright, now we should be even with the main. I'm gonna go ahead and create this branch. I think I'm gonna name it enable all widgets, right? And just cherry pick that commit. Boom, you got that thing signed, because why not? GitHub PR. Enable all widgets from Ratzilla. Boom. PR created. Just like that. Why am I flexing, dude? Oh my fucking god. Actually, what is this PR description? Anyways, just delete that. Not important. I probably just confused a lot of people with that description. But anyways, we don't talk about that now. The real changes are basically I enable all widgets feature from Ratzilla, because why not? Well, the calendar does not make sense because we don't have time in JavaScript universe. For some fucking reason, somebody decided to not have time. So yeah. Hey yo, the streamer, oatmeal dealer, what's up, man? I really like your username. That's like that's just so great. How are you doing? I am streaming. New date. Dude, the problem with that is when you use std time duration in WebAssembly, and if you try to like run that, you get like errors. So you gotta actually use web time for that. There's a separate crate, complete drop-in replacement for std time that works in browsers. Somebody gotta just go ahead and make this thing, because there's no time duration or any time related stuff in WebAssembly context. I don't know why, but this is pretty good actually. I don't know how it works, but I'm guessing some magic, like I don't know, maybe some async JavaScript stuff. Yeah, I mean JS, of course, JS bindings, let's see, maybe just I don't know, that's not the topic of this stream today. JavaScript was a mistake. Hayao Miyazaki. that happened probably. That's just a real quote from him. But yeah, was it a mistake? I don't know, guys. I'm not gonna comment on that. I'm not gonna say anything because I'm literally making a framework for the web right now. I don't wanna piss off any web people because I'm dependent on their API right now. Okay. So yeah, all right. We can just merge this. It's fine. Squash, merge, feet. Yeah, let's just go. It's okay. Yeah, I'll be the JavaScript hater I want to see in the world. Okay, thanks for taking that responsibility. I appreciate that. I'm gonna mark this as the draft because actually I can show it to you. It was working, but it was also broken at the same time. So trunk serve, all I can see now is Tauri. Dude, maybe we should just try to do that today because you seem very hyped. So this is working. You can like use it, but there's this little canvas glitch that I'm planning to look into today. This is it's a big pain in the ass though, disclaimer. We're gonna suffer a lot while looking into why the fuck this happens, but bear with me until that point. So this is a bit broken, so I'm gonna make it a draft. How do I do that? Alright, convert to draft. I'm literally clicking stuff on GitHub UI right now. Some people in the chat, they're just cringing. But what are you gonna do? You want me to GitHub PR I don't know, draft or something? Right, whatever. Alright, moving on. Suffering is inevitable. TUI is forever my friend. There you go. It's the pinned message now. That's my motto in life. So add a DomBackend new by ID. What is this? It's the first time that I'm looking into issues, by the way. It's been a crazy ride since I published that talk. I've been just partying a lot, so I didn't have time. You know what I'm saying? So what is this? Support DomBackend not using the whole page. I'm interested in using Ratzilla for only part of the page. Also want to have some other HTML, JS, UI, which... Okay, this guy is trying to use React. For sure. At least one thing I need to attach the DomBackend specified element. Oh, okay, that's yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like it. So DOM new by ID. Oh, we should do the same for canvas too, I think. So I'm gonna check out to this branch, or maybe just pull 47. All right. Party haram, bro, dude. I don't mean like going on a yacht and just having a bunch of females and like having some haram drinks. I don't mean that, all right? I've been just in the gym grinding. That's my like understanding of a party. I just go there and I just like grind. Yeah, I've been just focused on that because that's like better in terms of mental things, I think. So I've been just going there and coming back home and then just chilling and having some meals and just going back. And anyways, everybody's a party if you love yourself. Don't worry about it. All right, you are a wise man. I can see that. Yeah, the halal party. Absolutely. I've been just drinking water a lot and stuff like that. But if you want me to be a company in your haram party, I wouldn't say no immediately. But okay, let's hit me in the DMs, dude. If you're throwing a party, just hit me in the DMs, alright? The wisdom is stored in the oatmeal. God damn it. God damn it. I knew that was the truth. Alright, so I like oatmeal actually. I'm not gonna lie, dude. Not gonna lie. So let's see this PR. So grid parent, grid ID. The parent of the grid on. Why do we need to store the parent though? That's literally the body. That's literally the body. What? Okay, I don't get anything from this diff view. How do I change the diff view? How do I change the diff view, guys? I'm just a GitHub noob at this point. I totally forgot. Dude, I just take a break for 2 days and I just forget everything. Fuck. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there you go. That wasn't easy to find at all. Sadly, my party is allowed to. God damn it, dude. Alright. But yeah, it seems good. They won't refuse because of the implication. Yeah, okay. I think we might do that then. Walking and good food on a good restaurant is my party. Absolutely, man. You know your shit. You know your shit. I like that. I like that. Alright, let's freaking review this thing. Grid parent. So that's just the document body. Why do we need to store that again? Also, what? Why does backend reset grid? That's a bit weird. This diff is a bit weird, dude. I don't get this diff. I'm gonna check locally. I guess it's the... Okay, whatever. So, parent, we said grid new by ID. It's element ID. Window. Oh, you're calling... Wait, you're calling the other function, no? Okay, I can just refactor this. It's a lot of stuff happening. So many duplications here. Early morning walk is better than any therapy you can get. People highly recommend it. Yep. Don't you know that? Don't you know that bit? Which bit? So what is this, dude? Like, it's just so many duplicated code here. New by ID and new. So I think I'm gonna do something like, first of all, let me just do something like this. New. I don't like underscore functions, but at this point, I don't know how to name this thing. Yeah, grid parent, that's why you need that. Okay, I see. And then do you use the grid parent? Grid ID. Oh, grid parent append child. Okay, I see what you're doing. So, okay, guys, let me just explain this real quick. So, the idea is have two new entries, or like two new things in the DOM backend. The first one is the grid parent, which is either the whole document or like just a document with an ID. And then what we're doing here is basically having two functions. First one is just new, which does not assign, or does it assign any ID? Yeah, it assigns the grid ID to grid. Oh, I see, element ID. So yeah, just one new function which will allow you to configure the element ID. Okay, I see that now. All right. Okay, that's clear. Seems like maybe just factor out into new grid parent grid ID. No, I don't like that much. I think I'll just have new and new with ID, with the given element ID. Yeah, that's better. Is your goal to remake the DOM in Ratzilla, or just render a WASM component in the browser? Yeah, just render some DOM stuff. So yeah. Guy making the PR wants to be able to have only part of the page to be Ratzilla app. Yeah, so basically renders a component. Yeah. Yeah. Are you talking about like the whole purpose of the project? Okay, so element ID, and this is gonna be still a bit indecisive. Cannot decide on the naming here, but I'll just go with new. Maybe something like this. I don't know. Element ID. And just option string, right? And grid parent will be just document body here. Right, so something like this. We already have document here, so something like if so match element ID. Yeah, exactly. So if there's an element ID, just get that element ID, or use document body, which is actually just document body. Okay, yeah, something like this, right? Yeah, that's good. Let me just check again. Yeah. Grid ID, that's gonna be element unwrap or grid. Yeah, there you go. And we're just gonna call something like this. And then for this one, just gonna be none. Yeah, there you go. But I don't like the naming on this function though, like underscore new. What is that, you know? Just wanted clarification after reading the repo. So yeah, the idea is to just render websites like this basically. And this is like a static website, and this is like using Ratzilla Rust library. So that's the idea, and we are basically let me show it to you again. We are basically like adding stuff to DOM, and that way it looks like a TUI. So if you go to the body, you know, this div grid thing is the thing that we are trying to like customize a bit. So these pre stuff, they're basically spans. So that's how it works. And we want to like customize the name of the div here basically. The implication is a comedy skit where a guy keeps trying to justify why I don't. They can't run at C, what? Okay, that's interesting. I might actually watch that. Could you also do some BS with the new options, but might be overkill for this? Yeah, I think that might be a bit too much. So it may be more difficult until browser interprets wasn't better. I'm not sure about that. I don't know. Hey, I'm just here to say hi. Hey, Adam. Adam, you just here to say hi and just leave? You're a moderator, come on. That would be about it. Bye. Okay. Cool. That's how my moderators like this these days. If you want to be a moderator, hit me up. I mean, god damn it. All right. So underscore new. I don't like that. But what are you gonna do? Haram. Alright, I think that's that. Let me actually try this out. I wanna run an example with this thing. I think we are using DomBackend on the example spawn. The moderator moderated itself. Yeah. So, I think I gotta go to Pong main. Alright, I need a better name for this function. Come on, guys. Help me out here. This is a private function, so new. We cannot use new. We're calling this function on other stuff. New with options maybe. Okay, I'll actually do that now. Maybe new with options. This is private anyways. New with options. Okay. Constructed. This function is named new with options, since we might want to add an backend options struct in the future. Okay, that's fair, I think. You could also do a builder pattern that's even more. Can't you rename symbols directly in Vim? Yeah, I can, but yeah, I'm just a noob. That's why I couldn't. But I think that's good. That's like explaining things well. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out now. Trunk serve. Why not prompt it for such well-defined as it does a good job? I like either to do it. Well, yeah, I could have done that, but I mean, such a small task as you've said. Like, it's fine to probably just use my brain for that a little. Just losing a bit of a cells in the brain. That's fine. Div grid. All right. Terminal new. All right. So how do I do this? New with ID and then yo. Let's see if I'm just gonna change. So we don't have a grid now, guys. That's awesome, actually. It just broke everything. That's great. Why? Okay. What the hell? Did I do something wrong here? Let me just check the PR again. So if we have a element ID, we just retrieve that. Oh, I don't have a right. All right, that makes sense actually. I didn't add anything there, so the idea is to do something like this, right? Add a custom div. Just use derive builder, create, the problem has been solved already. Guys, I don't want to add like a bunch of arbitrary crates just for doing that, okay? But okay, that's not a bad suggestion. But not for this task. That's why I asked. Yeah, Vim has that, but I didn't use it for some reason. I don't know. So yeah, just div id yo, and then just div. I guess when you do that, it will just add the grid to this part of the thing. I don't know. It should work. It's not working. It ain't working, but I need to like restart it, of course. I don't know what this is, but imagine CSS rewritten in Rust, because why not? It wasn't CSS. You could do option struct with dry default and dry build it on it later if you feel like it. But I mean, I'm returning a result from this, so yeah, I don't think I can do default in that case, I guess. I don't know. Where is my... What the hell is going on? Where's my div? Dude, where's my div? Buddy. Well, I don't have my div. Yo, can I just have my div, please? What is this, dude? It's not working. Let me remove the script altogether. Well, I just added a div, empty div, and it's not even showing up here. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's so weird. Well, I have the text div. Maybe it's because yeah, okay, so something is going on. I have a div here, and it should find that div and add the stuff to it, but like it's not working. Alright, let's see again. First bug of the stream. It's great. Feeling great. So append child. Well, this should just work out of the box. I don't know why it's not working. Set attribute ID, self grid ID. What if I don't do this? That's how we're debugging things here, because there's no other way. Well, it's a bit weird. Self grid, is it being removed at some point? That's like weird. Grid parent, append child. Oh, maybe it's being removed somewhere, and that's why. Let's see. Reset grid. Is it because of this? Oh my god. It's not an arbitrary crate. I don't know how that would be useful here, because that's like an additional crate. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not needed. But if you open DevTools and then set a breakpoint for DOM mutation, so you can see what you might be doing. Wait, how do I do that though? I don't know how to do that. Set a breakpoint for DOM mutation? Is that even a thing? Debugger? I have no idea how to do that. If you can guide me, or just like tell me how that is possible, I can do that. Oh, you mean here, right? I can just wait. Breakpoints. How do I add a new breakpoint? Bottom right where it says DomAnnotation. I don't know either. Where's the DomAnnotation stuff? It's the first time that I'm looking at this thing actually. Oh, DomAnnotation breakpoints. Right click an element in the inspector and select break on to inspector. Oh, you mean here? Wait, what was the thing again? Oh my god, I'm learning so many things right now. Break on. Break on attribute modification. Debugger. Nothing happened. That's great. Attribute node removal. Yeah. Let's do that. I don't know if I should be getting anything here. Yeah, it's node removal, but yeah, I mean, when I refresh it, it just disappears. That's the thing. It's just being removed when I load the page. Yeah, it's very interesting stuff. Can I just do this maybe? Like break on? No, I can just do the whole thing. Node removal. No, it's not working that way. Okay, I don't know. Let me just try to find what's wrong from the code. But let me know if there's a better way of debugging it. Because I think at some point we're just removing it, but that doesn't really make sense, because why would we remove the thing? Remove? Yeah, there's grid removed. Okay, only runs on resized one. So let me just not remove it, and then trunk serve again. What the hell? Okay, now we're talking, but when we remove that and reset it, it doesn't really come back. Why is that? So I have document create element. Maybe we need to... Okay, grind. Not grind, what am I doing? Grid parent. Grid parent. I'm just... what is this again? This is element. Okay, I see. No, it's actually... It's a document... Yeah, the resize is a problem. Resize is a problem. Still can't create sockets in WASM. How will I use your battleship repo? Yeah, right. I don't know. Send me an issue. I can take a look. Psychoful says maybe you want to break on sub tree modification actually. That's not needed. I think I figured it out, but the problem is... But it's... Either way, it's good to know. Because, I mean, that's very cool. I didn't know that. Next time I can actually use that when I want to debug something live. Hopefully we see it someday. The problem is when this thing is being resized. Let me show it to you. This is being resized. It's broken. Yeah, the grid is being removed. So on every resize we just remove the grid. That's the problem. And then it fails to add the grid again. But why is that? Is it because... Oh, I think I found it. Document. Oh, when we remove it, doesn't work that. Okay. Well, god damn it, this is a bit of a pain here. Made a quite Tauri example for you. Quick. Send it to me. Where is it? Hello, Clement. Are you keeping track of the frame state size? No. Whoever said war is hell never did front-end web development. Absolutely. Then window resize, re-render. The issue is, oh man, this resize thing. I knew that it's gonna cause so many problems. But yeah, I didn't think that this would be the issue. Can I like maybe, okay, instead of removing it, can I like clear the sub whatever, clear or remove child? Can I just remove all the childs? Okay, let me just try that. So self grid parent, remove child, and just grid maybe. Yeah. Why is it not working? What the hell? Making a PR. Alright, go ahead. Freaking WebAssembly, man. Come on, just be quick. From JS value is not implemented. God damn it. Why would you use such an undescriptive error name? What is JS value? This web.sys literally uses JS value as the error type, dog. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, look at this JS value. It's actually from wasn't bindgen, not web.sys, but if you somehow figure this out, just let me know, alright? Because I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to say to me. Like, you do something, you get an error, and the error is JS value, and you gotta just convert the error to whatever error that you got. And then I'm like, I'm not doing any of those, so I'm just gonna like wrap it in JS value as well. So everyone is just using JS value now because I'm just continuing to commit that sin. Because I don't care, I guess. But it's super annoying. Let me actually try this out without error handling because I'm curious. Sounds like you're missing a question mark. Yeah, the question mark, that's fine, but like I'm talking about the error thing. Okay, so now this is working. I fixed it. Div yo, and we are rendering. And when you resize it, what the fuck is going on? Okay, when you resize it, it should still work. Fingers crossed. Okay, that's, oh my god, what did I do? Oh my god, it's not removing it. So div, oh, that's bad. That shouldn't happen actually. Div id div, that's not correct. Why do we have two divs? That should not be the case. Hold on. Let me revert this and see what it is in the previous example. Let's see. It's actually one div. No, it's div and then it contains the pre stuff. So that's completely wrong. So DomBackend, where's my backend? New with ID. Yo, and here. Wait, what was the grid backend again? Grid parent, sorry. Grid parent, get elements by ID. Oh my god. do we need to keep track of whether if the user provided a custom element ID? Because if that's the case, that's very annoying. Okay, let's actually do that maybe. God damn it, this will be so annoying, but right, we are actually doing options struct now. DomBackend. No, DomBackend options. Right, we're just doing that because we have to. Options for DomBackend. Thank you, Copilot. Derive debug. The element ID. Yeah, there we go. Grid ID. Let me just use that. Grid ID. Let me remove that. New options. None. Alright, optional options. Isn't this so great? So, yeah. There we go. Grid parent. This is gonna be options grid ID. No, what was it? Oh, just options. Okay, so options grid ID. There you go. Wait, what is this? This is an optional option. Oh shit. Alright, so it's gonna be basically and then yeah. And this one, I'm basically gonna do something like, and this shouldn't be public yet. I don't think I'll make it public. DomBackend options and fan grid ID, right? Not really. Actually, I'll probably do that. My headphones just died. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna catch up with the chat now. Maybe map error into yeah. Yeah, I'm already doing that, but the question was why JS value. You can throw values as what the hell? Is that why? That's the only way to get errors out of browser console now. JS doesn't have types. It's just annoying. It is just annoying. Maybe it's just because of the JS, the worst error of entire software in history. True. That's what I'm saying. Is this Pong now? Not yet. Wrote the answer is one of your shorts. Okay. Ratzilla really uses the canvas to render the application. In your presentation, you said you like the simplicity of everywhere spans. Yeah, there are like two options. One of them is using the DOM, like spans, and the other one is just canvas, like HTML. Okay, yep. Derive default is a good thing to point out. Thank you. I think, but I'm not gonna expose the struct yet. I think I'm just gonna keep it private for now. On an unrelated note, can you guys suggest me a native language movie you recommend? What do you mean native language movie? Which, like, what do you mean? A no sound new GPD Pocket 4. No, what? Need subtitles? You want me to enable subtitles on the stream? That's too late for that because I need to tweak some setting in the YouTube interface before the stream. I cannot tweak that now. Your native language. Okay, I gotta think about that. I gotta think about it a bit. Do you want a movie or a TV series? Grid ID. Grid, grind. Okay, so options, basically. Options, let me add the options to it. It's actually gonna be not optional. I don't know why I made this optional though. I don't know. Oop. And just gonna be default as you have suggested. And here we're gonna go ahead and do some like grid ID. Yeah. Grid ID. Move this up here. Oops. Maybe clone. Yeah. Alright, and now we gotta go ahead and do some like grid ID, I think. It's a bit weird. Returns the grid ID. That's a bit weird, but I'm just gonna call that function. Okay, so let me fix the other error. No, okay. So when there is a grid, we get that grid, and then yeah, removing it. Grid parent, what is this thing again? Dude, it's so hard to debug this thing. Document get element by ID. Document body. So when we don't provide a grid ID, it adds the grid to the body, right? But when we we don't, when we remove the custom grid ID element, we don't know where to add the new div at that point. That's the problem. So what we want to do is actually not remove the element, but like, so grid parent, that's like, okay, I'm like slowly like figuring this out. I gotta see the documentation for websys. As ref on the function, as ref on the option. Okay, let's try that actually. That's a good suggestion. Instead of cloning, I always like not cloning, so I mean this and remove that, right? Okay, thank you. Hey all you lurkers, go give the guy a like for the grind. Thank you, Daniel. Ratzilla has been really helpful through observability tools that need to be hellas. JS is easy, but now Taste is fucking things up with the overtyping everything, but at the end everything is JS. Yeah. So I need to go ahead and see the functions on the element. I gotta find a function, something like remove or like clear all children, kill all the children. I need to find that function. Replace children, remove attribute, remove clear, remove children. Alright, how do I search for this? JavaScript remove all children. Let's see. I can just set the inner HTML to nothing. That sounds so hacky, first of all. Okay, how do... oh, fucking hell. Do I need to go through all of this stuff in here? Yeah, okay, there we go. Is this gonna work? No. How do I get all the children from this? Child. What? Cause hey Transistor, how's it going? Oh man. I need to get all the children from an element. How do I do that? Set text content. Text content, set node, replace child, remove child. Dude, I just need to get all the children. Let me get all the children. Every single one. Next. What is this? Next element? No. Why there isn't a function for that? Alright. Just hanging out in the JavaScript Stack Overflow, cause why not? Inner HTML, is that really a solution? Set inner HTML. Are you fucking serious? Can I just do that to remove everything? Set inner HTML. That's ridiculous, first of all. Like, if this works, I don't know what to say. Alright, let's try it. Okay, so now, why did you add two yos, man? This is wrong. Self-grid parent, actually. Okay, this is not correct. I think I'm adding. Wait, let me find where I'm adding this back. Reset something. Reset grid. So here. Create element div grid self grid parent and child self grid. Is this what you want, man? Is this what you want? Because if that's what you want, we just fixed it. I need to attach the DomBackend specified element like div ID rather than taking over the whole page. No, this is not what you want. You want to like... Actually, one way to make sure is just stash everything. And go ahead to here again. Trunk serve it again. And you know, I just reset all the progress, and I'm just gonna see what the guy is trying to do. Like, okay, no, actually that won't work. Okay, whatever. So I don't know if this is what he wants. Self grid. This is first of all some elements. I just gotta ask him at this point. But I think he wants to have the spans inserted into the div. I don't know. Setting empty string will remove all children. It's not a hack. Dude, that sounds like a hack to me. Insider HTML knowledge. Let me get all the children is diabolical. Sorry. Oh my god. It works. It works. Okay. Fucking hell. Alright then. If it works, then I'm not gonna touch it. What do you want me to say? But now let's actually try to resize and shit. There we go. Responsive as fuck. As you can see. We are W's in the chat. W's in the chat. This is a bit weird still, but it works okay. Div ID. I think there should be a better way to do that instead of setting an inner HTML to empty. Don't touch it ever. Responsive is cool, man. Yeah. Dude, I don't know. But this is still a bit weird because here we are creating a new element and we're setting attribute. Actually, let me just see what happens with without the new ID, because that's like important too. So trunk serve. Alright, let's see. Well, this works as usual. Okay, this works as usual. No problems with that. But one thing that I didn't like here is that we are adding a new, like, you know, new thing. You know, div ID, whatever, and then div ID, whatever. So, like, there are like two divs. I don't know why that happens. I'll try to figure it out now. But this guy's like, he wants to... He wants to not have like two divs inside of each other, I think. So yeah, I don't know how to fix it now. Hold on. Grid, create element, grid parent. I don't know, maybe it's fine though. Probably not, because it's ugly. It's very ugly. Set inner HTML. Grid remove. What if I do this again? Please use English in the chat, dude. Not everyone knows Turkish, but I'm just trying to hack. I'm just gonna answer your question. I'm trying to like hack some websites, alright? That's not what I'm doing, but like, yeah, whatever. What is 46? So yeah, the idea, yeah, was this for, yes, 46. Yeah, he wants to just touch this thing, but like there are like two things inside of each other. It's not like what I want. Grid parent is basically the parent div, right? Something su adam erkek. Transistor, you just know all the words that you need in Turkish now. You can communicate 100%. We invent a new React to make devs grind on their front ends. That's a good explanation, actually. I like that. Such a polyglot. Yeah, you are. you are at this point. Look at the brand on this water. Your favorite. The apple water. So this guy created this PR, but I don't think he thought it out really well, because when you create like a grid parent and also like a grid, they both use the same ID, and at that point you just end up with like two divs inside of each other with the same ID. So this is actually a bit wrong. Here I need to fix that. Grid parent. So then why is it working in the other case, you might be asking? This is because we are using the body as the grid parent, and we're actually clearing the body. Okay. So maybe we can have like another option for the parent ID. How about that? Oh, grid ID is actually different from the other one. Oh, I see what he's doing. So like there are actually two parameters here. I see. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I'm gonna make them both configurable. Or maybe I can do something like this is called grid. Grid, okay, so something like, I don't like hard coding prefixes, that's why I'm a bit hesitant about this code. So if there is a grid, and just gonna use grid if there is no grid. Yeah, something like this. I think this would be a good solution. And I don't think it would be, yeah, like, it doesn't really matter to configure the parent grid ID, whatever. Okay, let's see now. What is going on in the chat, dude? Okay, goodbye, I guess. I don't code Rust, Ruby, and code Java. He just went in and asked for the ID, and he said he's now writing Rust. He likes Java. What the hell? Mods, what is going on in the chat? Please moderate. All right. Transistor, what are you doing, man? You gotta just ban. No, not ban, but do not ban people. But like, dude, we need to have some rules in the chat, all right? All right. Now look at this. So div and another grid inside of the thing, right? That's okay, I think. That's okay. He just woke up. Okay. If the grid is not set, it returns grid. Turns the suffix with Ratzilla grid. I guess it's alright. I mean, that's okay. And I'm just gonna make it public at this point, cause why not? I'm just gonna public. I just gave up. Okay. I just gave up. No, okay. New. Yeah, there you go. I guess I'm just gonna. Okay, at this point I just make a huge U-turn and expose the options. Whatever, it's fine. It's good API, right? Right, guys? There's some. Yeah, there you go. Alright, that should be good. Also, let me just add the new with ID thing back. Okay, there you go. Huge U-turn. Bubba found the winning result pool. That way everyone can win. Yeah, publicly. Alright, so we just did that. It's been I don't know why it was so painful to get through this thing, but at the end we have a good structure and everything. And now it's time to do the same thing for the canvas backend. Isn't that so fun, guys? No, actually no. I'm not gonna do that now. Maybe later. Alright, let me just transfer one more time. Seems to be working. I'm gonna just revert this change. Let me just test it out again. Still running. Alright, time to commit these changes. Backend. Oh, initializing DOM backend with options. Alright. Alright, we can finally merge this. Now you can have multiple Ratzillas with this. Yeah, you can. Somebody gotta try it. Somebody gotta try it. Alright, if this passes the CI, I'm just gonna merge it. Instant merge. Insta merge. Okay, there you go. This failed, but that's fine. It's just GitHub pages. We don't care about GitHub pages. The Platinum Insta Merge. Hell yeah. Add Tauri example. That's very interesting. There's this one. I'm gonna check the Tauri one soon. Adds instructions to install wasm completion target readme. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Rest up target. Maybe we should mention it before the trunk step though. Yeah, I'm gonna mention it before the trunk step. Result boolean because all there is to discover is the truth. How do I pin that message? There we go. Pinned. It's wisdom. This guy is spreading wisdom. I like it. What is this? Doc list item without indentation? Okay, how do I fix that? Cargo FMT, cargo FMT all. Does that fix that? Or what do I need to do? Indentation, there you go. Indentation. What is this, dude? How did I get that warning? Which step? Clippy. Holy shit. Okay. Great. I guess I gotta fix Clippy now. Thank you. Okay, that's fine. Just gonna force push it. Alright, let me just merge this. It's been pretty good. Thanks for the PR. I made some changes. DomBackend by ID. Actually, maybe by ID is a better thing. But anyways. Actually, by ID sounds better. New by ID. It's like a new backend and uses the given ID for the grid. Okay. I made some day of life changes and fixes. We now have DOM backend options, which might be useful in the future. Approve. Dior. Why do I have to approve my own comments here? It's weird. Okay. All good, I guess. I'm gonna change this thing to unified div. I just realized I missed a dot here. Alright. I missed a dot here. I just gotta add the dot, alright. And I can just merge it. It's very important to make this perfect, alright? Not really, but I don't wanna miss dots. Squash it. Alright. Good stuff. Let's move on to the other PR now. README. README, add instruction to install wasm completion targets. Alright. What is your pull alias? It is how do I check that actually? Yeah, it is simply GitHub PR checkout. I don't know why I called it pull, but yeah, just pull in. Just pull in PRs and pulling girls, if you know what I'm saying. The second one was a lie. Never happens. So yeah, I'm gonna actually approve this first. Thanks. Thanks. Open source communication 101 part 3. I gotta make that thing now. Oh, I thought you would use Git. Yeah, I mean, I have some very freaky aliases actually. If you look at my dot files, like I have some Git aliases in my bash. Like, look at these, man. These are just fucking insane. Like, yeah. D is just diff or git diff, git d, whatever. Like at this point, I cannot really keep track of these. But yeah, whatever. So many git stuff. Pulling girls, funny man. Dude, that never happens though. We're doing a lot of development, but not very personal development and emotional development. Alright. Sadly, that's the truth. Pull. GPS, yeah, just git push. My favorite alias is git gone. So if you take a look at my other git config, I have some cool stuff. I have something like git YOLO, which just YOLOs the commit message from this website. So yeah, like picks something from here and just YOLOs it. I like that one, first of all. Yeah, I have some stuff in there, dude. Alright, it's time for the Tauri time. Tauri time. Hello Ratzilla, are you rendering, son? Hell yeah. Oh my god, it's literally a Tauri app. Holy shit. Oh my god, so many things. Let's pull it. Pull it. Thank you, Daniel, for the PR, by the way. Am I able to post links in chat? Sadly, no. Git gone is really useful for just getting rid of all deleted PR branches locally. You cannot post links in YouTube chat, and also YouTube chat is a bit strict about encoded stuff. I run it by hand now. I love the shortcuts, but after switching machines so often, I didn't use them anymore. Yeah, that's fair. Alright, Tauri time. So we have example animation story. That's literally the main and source story. Cargatomo, Tauri app, Tauri build rs. Icons, so many icons, dude. Source librs, main rs. That's very straightforward actually. I can simply just merge this, but I'm not sure about the name of this example. I think I'm gonna name it just Tauri. Well, let me just pull it first. Okay, I pulled it. So, examples. First of all, let me add a link to the example. This is not gonna be deployed, so I gotta skip that. Okay, okay, I gotta just edit my CI config a little bit now. Not CI, but the deploy. Example name. How do I do else if in bash? Is it just else if? That's just a very noob question, I know, but it's probably not that, right? Elif. Sometimes I forget these stupid things. So Tauri, check if starts with Tauri. How do I do that? I think I gotta put the star here, and that might work. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Is this bash statement correct for checking if a string starts with Tauri? What about single equal sign? Because I remember something like that. String comparison, pattern matching. Will not work. Okay, cool. Then I was right. Yo, Robin, Antes, what's up, man? Everybody, okay. How's it going, my fellow arch maintainer? What's poppin'? What's cracking? Tell me about it. How's life, man? Oh my god, what did I do? Yo, Antes, you wanna be a guest on one of these streams? Let me just have you as a guest and you will answer all the spicy questions about NixOS. How about that? In case you don't know, he's like a maintainer, also super active guy in the Arch community, and I just wanna disturb him with some Nix questions. Can we listen to chill music and watch some talented dudes written? Nah, dude, I'm not even talented. Look at me, I'm just trying to like write bash here, not even Rust. What the hell is this, man? Just gonna skip this actually. How do I skip? Skip in Tauri example, whatever. Okay, that's fine, I guess. At some point I just gotta put this thing in a proper script. You know that, right? Actually, I can do it now. Scripts. What is this thing doing? It is simply putting everything, building everything, and putting them in a dist folder. For example, in the examples still. Okay, so something like build examples. Build examples, okay. I'm gonna use bash here. I'm gonna use bash and exit. Let me just do what this guy says. And right, that's why I was not sure about the pattern match. And we're gonna call this thing scripts build examples. Sh. There we go, it's better. Scripts. Let me try this out. I gotta just rename the example first though. Tauri. It's gonna be not Pong, but Tauri. Tauri. Just Tauri. Just Tauri is enough. Just Tauri. As long as you don't ask me where some Rust should be okay. You're good at Rust though. It's fine. We got a VIP in here. Yeah, we got a VIP, dude. Transistor. Do you know any Void Linux maintainers by any chance? And look at the README. It's just some commands and just have fun. Thank you. We're having fun for sure. For example, Tauri CLI trunk build cargo Tauri dev. So we gotta trunk build this thing. Alright, let's try this out. Animations. Oh my god, something is going really wrong in my Rust analyzer config. It's probably because it's trying to like build all the Tauri dependencies. Like personally, yeah, I'm just curious. Learn Rust stream when? Actually, we're not gonna learn Rust, but in one of my streams I'm gonna invite someone that I met, and she will be just help me out a bit while I'm learning OCaml. Let me just announce this right here, right now. We're gonna learn OCaml, guys. That's the new hot thing in town, okay? Everyone is like, Rust is bad, compile times are shit, and performance is good, but compile times are shit. So I'm like, alright, you don't like Rust? New language, OCaml. Let's go. The Void core team is probably much smaller and more tightly picked than Arch. Yeah, there are a lot of VIPs, you mean? I use Arch, by the way, can you tell? Yeah, Frank, I use Arch too. Can you tell by my background? My computer is lagging so badly because of Tauri. Daniel, are you still watching the stream? Why did you put in this Tauri stuff, man? It got me fucked up. We have a Void maintainer hanging out in Arch Linux projects, if anything. Interesting. That's good to know, I guess. The Linux communities are too spicy. I don't like them a lot. If I'm being honest, too many spicy and controversial people. I just want to chill. I just want to do my thing and chill. So I don't know if I will actually check that channel anytime soon. I don't know if you agree with me, Antis, but you know, like too many drama. I don't like that shit. Proto Rustlang. Now I gotta visit that channel. Nah, dude, don't do that. I'm not talking about the Arch Linux projects, by the way. I'm just talking about the Linux community in general. So many drama, and now I'm a bit sad because there are some drama in the Rust communities too, due to some tweets from some known people asking some valid questions about Rust, and now everyone is heated. I don't want to get involved, so I just posted a crab emoji. Just a crab emoji. Alright, we got Tauri CLI actually, so cargo, okay, trunk build, let's try this shit. Trunk build. Constant drumming is real and exhausting, absolutely, man. I don't know how people actually, like, I don't get it. Like, there are some people getting involved in drama and they just literally take their time and type something to beat an argument on the fucking internet. Bro. I don't know, man. I myself was involved in some drama in the past. That's just a huge waste of time. It usually does not really give you any benefits. Like, there's no benefit from drama. I think it's just a waste of time. So yeah, what am I running now? Cargo Tauri dev. The human mind was never meant to post. Because Linux people have opinions. To have opinions, need to know something in Linux. People in origin says text saving average. It is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Absolutely. So Cargo Tauri dev error build additional properties are not allowed. I think I don't have the latest Cargo CLI, Cargo Tauri CLI. That's why. Let me just install it. Our man has lore to be told. Yeah. I mean, we have our own rat lore. A lot of Ratatouille related, not like Ratatouille specific, but rat related stuff happens. So I see we have another void maintaining Archnix projects now. Transistoric, is that you? Organize language sentence creation. No worries, man. I don't know if I have like a really deep lore. I mean, you can ask Transistoric. He's been around since day zero, probably. I don't know. He's been around for a while. Did we have some? I think we built some lore in this channel. We have some kind of like, yeah, inner jokes and shit. So I think we have some lore going on, but I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna drop some lore. The truck ad thing. That's such a great lore. We gotta just, I don't know which stream was that, but we're gonna just like do something with it. Maybe create shorts from that truck ad campaign thing. That was so fun, man. Yeah. I'm not gonna explain what I'm talking about. Obviously, that's just the lore. What was the name of that guy? Rod. Right. Anyways, so we are just waiting for the Rust compile times now. Isn't that amazing, guys? Truck ad campaign, yeah. I might have tried to buy a truck ad for a certain project called Ratatouille, but those are just speculations, okay? I might have tried or I might have not. It's just like, I don't know. Maybe it happened, maybe it didn't. It's not, I don't know. Alright, so let's check out the issues. Tauri, let's go. We're pretty cool to have a Tauri version of Ratzilla. 100%. Can I actually... Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna like it. Customizing get size before add example utilities. You can buy a truck on Grindhouse. Not yet, but I'm working on it. Might or might not have slipped into Rod's LinkedIn DMs. Yeah. I might have connected with him on LinkedIn. Yeah. Not gonna give any more details. So, I think After that, I will be done with the Ratzilla backlog and I can just focus on the bugs. And it's been already 2 hours almost. We've been just trying to like do some rat stuff for 2 hours. Yeah, let me check my emails in the meantime in case something happened. Nope. Nope, okay. I need to know the lore badly. I don't remember which live stream that was. I'll try to find it maybe. Man, we gotta crowdfund you a new CPU. The compiling is brutal. Dude. Mods. You're not Transistor, you're not really doing your job here. I'm doing your job. You know that, right? If you want me to stream for a shorter time, and if you don't want me to watch this screen, just go to GitHub sponsors, everybody. All right, help me out here. We've been just waiting for this for the past 5 minutes. How awkward was that truck at CTOP? I'm going. He didn't reply, so I don't know. And he recently celebrated his 30th year in that company, and like he didn't celebrate it. Like there's like a LinkedIn auto celebration thing, and I just celebrated him. I'll try again later. If I'm gonna do my job, I want a bot with commands. Dude, you want me to switch to Twitch at this point, right? And I don't know if I should do that, because I mean, I tried before, but you know, I gotta choose a platform. It's either gonna be YouTube or Twitch, and I'm active on YouTube, so I wanna just stay in YouTube. I don't wanna stream to both platforms. We tried that. That was bad. If you wanna, okay. Can we add a bot here? I don't think that's like super easy, but yeah, I cannot do both of those platforms. That's just too much fragmentation. Yeah, if you want me to spend less time on this terminal, go to here, select the company sponsor plus or 50 a month. All right, so that will help me. I still couldn't hit this goal, man. I'm a bit sad. Some people actually stopped sponsoring me in the past week, so I'm a bit sad about that, but whatever. So which cargo Tauri? Cargo Tauri dev. Please work. What the fuck? What is this? Tauri conf. Cargo trunk. That's not cargo trunk actually. It's trunk build. Okay, this is now working. But I'm scared to check out the YouTube live stream API. It's probably shit. Like, it's probably really bad. I mean, there isn't much options to configure anything, if I'm being honest. All I'm seeing is just the chat screen, and like, that's it. I can just show it to you. If it loads. Come on. So slow. My computer is dying right now. It's not even loading. Look at this. Yeah, that's all that I see. Like, if this is all I'm seeing, I'm sure you won't see anything more than this as a user, so I don't think it will be like very easy to write a bot for YouTube. So yeah, come on, just let me get the desktop app and we can move on from this. Where's the Tauri? Let me actually Tauri. Let me change that. Title Tauri. Where's my desktop app? Come on, give me my desktop app. Tauri. Is there like another streaming platform? Some alternative to Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or something? YouNow, whatever. I want something open source. I want something open source and like more like extensible and free and stuff like that. Is there such streaming platform? Refactoring sounds like a Pokemon evolution. Oncast? What is Oncast? I never heard of that. Interesting. Wow. Okay, that's literally what I just described. And are people actually using this? Like, you know, developers, I guess they're using them. Alright, let me just click on one of these random streams. Okay, we got a... oh shit, that was fast. Alright, we got a Tauri app now. Hell yeah. Alright, just gonna commit that. Scripts. And this will work. Let me add examples. Rename Tauri example. Refactor, extract, build examples script. Alright, push to his branch. I probably won't be able to push it. God damn it. But that's fine. I can just merge his PR and then push those things to another branch, I think. Alright, so we're gonna do something like main. Alright, approve sensational. It's been a sensational PR. I'm gonna just merge it. Examples. Add Tauri example. Git pull. New factor. And then I'm gonna go here, cherry pick those commits. Just get a PR. Actually, I'm gonna just push and create a PR on the user interface because it just fucks up the PR body if I create it from the GitHub CLI. So refactor Tauri, refactor examples, refactor the Tauri example. Create a pull request. With the Tauri poke. Oncast is written Go. That's a tough pill to swallow for. God damn it! Is that really Go? Where's the code? Substack podcast, episode that's Mastodon, Oncast. Nice to know that. Discord too. Discord is a tough pill on its own anyway. Zoom room. Just Zoom, guys. We're just gonna have a Zoom webinar from now on. Fuck the live stream and YouTube. Just gonna go ahead and create a webinar on Zoom. Alright. You're gonna just show your hands and then yeah, gotta go see ya, man. Yeah, it's been written Go, but it looks cool though. All right, let me squash and merge. Let's squashed and merged. There we go. Alright, we can close this one. We have Tauri. Fucking Teams call, why not? Anonymous grinders Zoom me thing. Got up to go to the bathroom and instinctively paused the stream because I forgot I wasn't listening. Wasn't just listening to music. Welcome back, I guess. But yeah, guys, let's just do a Teams call from now on. I'm gonna share the link on my YouTube community tab, and you can just go and click that, and just we can meet there. Just take the stream to go to the restroom. That's what I do. Grind never ends, you know. Take the laptop to the restroom. Actually, that should, at that point, that place should be called grind room, because no resting, even in the toilet, motherfucker. That's how we grind in this bitch. I don't know why I'm cursing right now, but whatever. Curses. That's why. And curses. Windows latest. We haven't like building stuff for Windows. What else do you want? We're just very bleeding edge. Bleeding eyes. It's more like that actually, because Windows. I did it once and I flushed the toilet while not muted. God damn it. That's a sad story. That's sad, dude. Bleeding eyes. Alright. Owncast is interesting. I might actually just watch some random stream right now. Don't let me down, okay? Let me watch some nice stream. Bruh. Don't take the stream to the loo as a streamer. What do you mean? We're down to 1 PR actually. I'm trying to like... I'll try to fix this thing, alright? Now we almost hit 2-hour mark in the stream, and around these times my brain starts to melt, so it's a really good time to check out some bugs. Primarily this fucking canvas rendering bug, which was biting me on the ass for a long time. Not a long time, but like it's really bad. And let's just try to understand what the fuck is going on there. I'm gonna go ahead, run this demo. Need toilet ASMR right now. You're in the wrong channel, Ferris. You gotta go to the Prime engine for that. Oh shit, that was harsh. Sorry, my man. Prime. I know that we're gonna collab in the future, so don't take this personally. I'm just joking. The Grindhouse only listens to Trey Davis ASMRs. Absolutely. Absolutely. My man Terry. My man Terry, rest in peace, my man. So, Prime engine burn. I know that we're gonna collab with him. That's just inevitable at this point. My meme level is just reaching up to him. Actually, I might have surpassed him at this point. I don't know. What do you guys think? All I'm missing is just some drama. Some drama, and I'm at his level. I just gotta generate some drama, you know what I'm saying? Like, come up with some stupid thing and then generate some drama and then boom. But that's not really my goal, actually. I don't care. Just trying to like have fun here. So the bug is when you switch tabs, you see these green lines, right? That's the bug, and that's very annoying. So Martin checked it out, and he says, Canvas, it's set to render text leading to top. So leading to top, which means, let's see. Background. Which tab is that? I don't think Prime would appreciate Ratzilla, especially now that his Rust arc is over. I don't care, dude. He's not such a big fish in the realm of YouTube. Don't forget, some 18-year-old girls will teach about makeup outperform the Prime engine by a big margin. Yeah, I mean, I just like, I don't know, like, I don't think collabing with him at this point would not bring a lot of well, I mean, it would only bring more people to my channel and stuff like that. But I mean, are those people really interested in what I'm doing? That's the question. Probably there are some people, but I don't know. Like, too many trolls in that community, I feel like. Maybe I'm a bit wrong, but I don't know. His audience is much more valuable than the 18 girls one. I don't know, man. I don't watch him, so I don't want to comment on any of his content. I stopped watching him after the Rust arc stuff. So yeah, so letters are aligned to top. I'm not really sure if that's the cause, but it seems related to that green horizontal lines. But those thin vertical lines, I'm clueless right now. I better do some kitchen sync demo for all possible characters and check with them how it behaves. So it's not leading, it's baseline. Let's see what baseline is. Canvas text baseline property. Draw a red line at y100, then place each word at y100 with different text baseline values. Okay, so top, bottom, middle, alphabetic hanging. Text baseline. Fill text. Interesting. Only OG grindhouse freaks, no secondhand Prime subs, please. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Thank you for putting that into words for me. So, this is super interesting, also super strange. So let's see how actually the canvas works and why we might have got these weird ass lines. I mean, if I zoom in, I'm new here. What is grindhouse? Mods, please explain that. Mods, come on. That's our community. You can join on Discord. You're just grinding. Thank you. So, you see, I'm actually just slow it down, man. This is too fast. Thanks, Mr. Mod. You're gonna get a raise if you if you just keep being so fast like this transistoric. Let's see how the rendering works. I don't remember how we're doing this. So update grid. I think this is where the juicy stuff happens. Other than that, there isn't much here. So canvas content. This is for the paddings. That's 5 grind coins for the link trouble. Yeah, thanks. So this is for the padding on top, and this is for the padding on the bottom. Don't ask why we're using 5, 10, or 19. Okay, those are just yeah, don't ask those questions. But if you change those, things change. So I changed that to 25. You see, like, it is broken. So I think maybe that's why we're getting those lines. Maybe I can tweak these. Those are just line height and line width, I think. You're developing an off-the-chain currency. So maybe, I don't know, 6. Let's try 6. I don't know, it's super experimental at this point. I don't know, like the values are like magical. Well, let's see. Holy shit. Okay, this is even worse now. But if you have realized, the stuff actually shifted a little bit. So maybe 11 would be the perfect value. This is basically the line. What is this called again? Text. Like the space between the characters. These values are simply that. And I think we have another another magical integer in this function. Yeah, 10 and 19. I don't know. Does this have any meaning? 10 and 19. Why 10? Why 19? I don't know. God knows. Well, let's change both of these values. You just pay with real money. It's quite revolutionary. This is actually not better. This actually made it worse. It's weird. Let me just try it like this, maybe. Now everything seems like... Okay, maybe this will fix it. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's keep 10 and 19. Set fill text. It's very weird though. Is there any canvas or like HTML gurus in the chat? I highly doubt that, but let's see if somebody actually knows what might be the problem here. Yeah, I know, I just joke around, but normal as well. It's Web3 that there's no lack on coins, but I need bread as well. Dude, everything is for the bread. Fill text. Set fill style string. Colors. Fill rect. What is this? Let me actually comment that out. Let's see what's gonna happen. I should have just removed the animation. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. It is... yeah. We just broke it. It's totally broken now. What happens if we comment this out? This is called commenting out based development. So we only have the... What are these actually? X, Y. What the hell was that on the street? I don't know, man. It's a bit weird. Baseline. Is there baseline method in WebSys? Baseline. What is this? Canvas. Rendering. Context. Baseline. Set text baseline. Okay. Value. Bottom. Let's try this maybe. Self canvas. Context set text baseline. And it takes a string, which is a bit weird, but okay. Google Canvas API MDN. Canvas works different. You draw rectangles via a function called the first result in Google Display Fill Rect. Try the MDN docs for the Canvas API. The names are the same. I'm back. Did we solve the web development yet? I am afraid we haven't, but we are grinding. So that's good. So I changed the baseline thing to top and bottom. Let's try bottom. Maybe this will change something. Yeah, now it's even fucking more broken. Actually, we broke the web. That's what you have missed. Middle. There's middle. Okay, let's try middle. Try middle. I probably need to restart the server. Alright, middle. Okay, it's just worse now. But actually Martin was right, because I changed the baseline and now everything is worse. So he's onto something here. Top, bottom, middle, alphabetic. What? What is that? Why is that an option? Alphabetic baseline. Okay, this is a bit like, okay, it's actually the same. I think this is the default behavior, or maybe it doesn't accept capitalized values. Let's try this. Alphabetic. Okay, it's broken. It is broken. Hanging? What is hanging? HTML was a mistake. Return to TUI. Yeah, man, we should just return to it at this point. I mean, what the fuck is going on? I'm gonna go make and eat some pasta. Good stream, man. Take care and bon appetit. What is the baseline values, like the default baseline value? Okay, top, hanging, middle, alphabetic. Okay, default is alphabetic. What is alphabetic baseline? With some magic. ideographic. Okay, let's try ideographic, whatever the hell that is. Try the ideographic. It sounds like a idiot would use that. An idiot like me. What is this, dude? This is like even worse. I mean, the best one was the alphabetic one, which was actually the default, so I don't know. Like top, let's try top. I mean, it's not bad, but like, yeah. Okay, I don't know how we can fix this. I tried out different text baselines, but none of them give me a better result than alphabetic, which is the default value. Interesting coincidence, I made some pasta today as well. That's good. I'm only eating chicken and rice and some meat sometimes, and some fish and some stuff like that. It's like super boring, not very exciting meals, but it's fine. Catini Amatriciana, to be precise. I don't know if I butchered the pronunciation or not, but sounds cool. Anyways, what the fuck? So there's some fuck ups in here. You see, there's this little disconnection here. I don't know why. There's this little disconnection. Like, this is all fucked up. What else? This is also all fucked up. Is it because of the text? Is it because of the combination of text and rectangles, maybe? I don't know. I'm a bit like clueless on this one, to be honest. I'm gonna try to collect my thoughts on this a little bit and come back to it later. So yeah. Well, let's create a new release now, because we did some stuff. Right. Okay, changelog. Let me see the changelog. Git cliff, git fetch actually, or git pull, git cliff t1 to u copy changelog. Alright, that's good. There's quite a small config issue here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. There's like a extra space. I want to fix that. Why there's an extra space? Why the hell there's an extra space? We're just writing Terra configs now. Commit breaking. Commit message upper first, that's fine. There is this one. Okay, I can just remove this probably. Let's see. Yeah, okay, that worked. And new contributors, let me add a sparkling heart to it. Sparkling hearts, man. What is Gitcliff? I see it for the first time. Kind of change the templating, it seemed nice. Yeah, Gitcliff is there you go. It's a changelog generator program, works in the CLI. You can just configure it the way you want and have nice changelogs, like that one that I just showed you. And it's been created by a very cool guy. Very nice guy. I like him. He's one of my close friends actually. We talk every day. It almost feels like I see him every time that I look into the mirror. Like he's that close to me actually. So yeah. Heathcliff is truly goated, thank you. I mean, you know, my friend says thank you. Thanks, and it's installed. Hell yeah. Nice. I'm actually gonna just format this with my own prettier formatter. It's not working though. Why there's an extra space here, I don't get it, but okay, now we're talking. Alright, so now it looks like this. Alright. Cool, let's bump the version. Version has been bumped, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to push this release. We're about to push this release to the world. Alright. Alright, what else do I need to do actually? I don't remember how do I create releases here. Actually, yeah. Let's see. Update badge styles. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let me just push this. We're gonna chore release bump version. Okay, copy the stuff from here. It's super manual right now, but that's fine. You go here, releases, you draft a new one. And I'm gonna copy this nice GIF. Nice GIF has been copied. We have a nice GIF over here, and we're gonna go ahead and publish this new release. Of course, we didn't choose a tag, that's why it didn't work. Smart. Publish. Okay. There you go. We got a new release. Wait. Why isn't this marked as latest? Okay. Updates. Release. Giouf, as the French would say. All right. Is this released? Published to Git, published to Crates.io. It's fine. Okay, we are making some progress. It's slow, but we are making some progress. Let me actually search on GitHub for seeing if anybody is using this. How do I actually search for that? Ratzilla. Come on. Come on. Okay. Search for not TOML, but like Rust. Rust. Because I want to like add people's websites to read me if somebody's using it. But nobody's using it. Okay. Nobody new, I mean. Let me go to my inbox and see if there's anything that we can do today. Okay. There's a PR on Ratzilla. Oh my god. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, I was just hallucinating here. How do I strike through this? Yeah, update comment. What did I say here? At this point, I'm just like making a U-turn because I was hallucinating. Yep. Okay, that's that. Is there any fun things that we can take a look at right now? Oh, there was one comment. On my talk about Ratzilla. Let's see. Okay. Let's try examples of running policy. We have to input example where I can type in text. This kind of reason Jimmy doesn't support it. Great project. Thanks, mate. Oh yeah, this is about WebT, not about Ratzilla. Okay, that's fine. Okay, guys, do you want me to check out some stuff, or should we wrap this up? Because I don't know if there's anything here. Okay, there's one interesting thing. on 6L. Do you guys know 6L image protocol? So use C char instead of I8 for fallback. Same as 6L bytes. C char is unsigned on platforms like Arch and risk reinforcing. Okay. Oh, I see. So we got a patch. Let's see. Instant approval. You might be asking, why did you instantly approve that? Because I run into the same problem before. We kind of like applying the same fix here. So yeah, that's just no-brainer. Squash. Let's create a new release on 6L. Which file is this? Bytes. Right, let's squash merge. Use C char instead of I8. I remember how we are creating releases here, by the way. Let's see. I think I had some kind of automation. Yeah, I have some automation. Okay, let's bump the version. Generate release notes. Another thing you maintain a fork of. Yeah. 6L stuff. I picked this up, I think 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And it was in a very bad shape. The code was like it was a mess. Everything was just very bad. So I was like, okay, somebody gotta clean this up. Somebody gotta take care of this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Let's see the continuous development. Okay, that should be good. What else do we have? There's one on another project which I maintain, not this one though. Yeah, let's see this one. Alright, new release created here. Honestly, get lost in all the thermal image protocols. What do you mean get lost? Like there are like a couple of ones, the major ones. like 6L kitty iTerm2 Unicode blocks. What else there is? I think that's it. Is there anything that I'm missing? Wait, what happened to the PR? There was one PR. Clean up CI, make Clippy pass. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, this guy just merged it. Okay, that's fine. Alright. That's fine. Let me see if there's any maintenance work that I'm skipping. Yeah, not that there are many of them, just that the ecosystem can get scary, and that it's hard to find something that works in a true cross-platform way. Yeah, okay, I see what you mean. That's why I'm using a couple of different terminal emulators. For the presentation stuff, I use Western because it has a pretty good support for the image protocols. You know, for the other stuff, I use Alacrity, sometimes Rio. But yeah, I see what you mean. But okay, let's actually wrap this up because I don't have anything else to work on right now. I'm just gonna Google my own project. God damn it. Alright, guys. It's been a pleasure. I'm gonna drink water. So, any last minute remarks, any last minute questions, anything like that, just shoot it. Does the magic really taste like apples? Well, you gotta check the pH levels of an apple to understand that. Because I mean, we have 7.96 pH over here. So if apple is actually close to that pH levels, I think yes. But I highly doubt it. So probably no. But yes. Figuratively. Tomorrow I gotta make a 2,000 subscriber special stream. That's like a bit of a occasion. Apples are likely acidic. Oh wait, I already hit 2,000 subscribers. I literally have 2,000 subscribers right now. Right now. Do not unsub, okay? Do not unsub right now. Let's keep this at 2,000. So yeah, I might do a special stream tomorrow. Just saying. I'm sure you've been asked a million times, but why do you prefer YouTube over Twitch? I don't know. YouTube is just more convenient for me. And most of my stuff are here. I'm uploading videos, shorts. I am active in the community tab. and yeah, a bunch of stuff like that. I usually use YouTube myself, so that's why. I don't know. I tried Twitch at some point, but I tried like YouTube and Twitch at the same time. That was a bit of a painful experience because of the fragmentation of the community. Like, yeah. And now, when you have like two different platforms that you're streaming on, you gotta just moderate two of them. So yeah, it's just more convenient for me, that's why. Congrats, thank you, Frank. But guys, I'm a go now. I'm actually a bit cooked right now, so gotta recharge and continue the grind in my sleep. All right. So I'll see you in the next one, and until that, take care. I might do a stream tomorrow. Just saying, heads up. And yeah, join Discord. I don't know, subscribe, whatever. That makes sense as long as you're streaming. Thank you, man. Thank you, Thomas. And see you around, alright? I am a bit low energy because I'm super cooked, but goodbye, Frank, everyone. I'm out. Okay, let me just wait. I didn't stop. What is going on?